Firstly open WhatsApp. Then go to Meta, and give it a prompt. I had given a prompt earlier, but I didn't like the image it generated. Now I'm copying the same prompt again, and giving it to Meta, which will generate a different picture. It's loading now. This time I like the picture. Now close WhatsApp and open InShot app. Go to Photo and tap New. Step 2. Import thumbnail image. Choose the picture you want to use for your thumbnail. The one you design. Step 3. Crop to YouTube size. Tap on crop, then select the 16:9 ratio. This is the perfect size for YouTube thumbnails. Adjust the image as needed. Step 4. Add effects and filters optional. Go to Effect to add styles or transparency. In Filter you can apply a look to your image, or just select none if you prefer the original. Step 5. Remove unwanted text. Use the retouch option to remove any unwanted text. Like use Canva for free, just highlight it and erase. Step 6. Add text. Tap text, write your thumbnail title and customize it. You can change the text style and color. I chose pink. Step 7. Add stickers or icons. Stickers here. I searched for a Canva icon sticker, but it wasn't available. However, I found a YouTube icon, so I added that to the side of the thumbnail. Since Canva icon wasn't available as a sticker, I used the pip option to import the Canva icon from my gallery. I positioned it at the top. Step 8. Use mask option. Use the mask option to crop it into a circle, which looks really good. Step 9. Remove watermark. Tap the times on the InShot watermark. Then tap remove for free. Now it's clean and ready. That's it, your thumbnail is ready, clean, professional and totally free. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.